Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your Motorola Razr 60. So first we want to adjust media and the call volume in the settings. So open up settings. Now we want to go over and scroll a little down to sound and vibration. Here we want to increase our call volume and also the media volume. Once we do that, what are we going to do is we're going to make sure that do not disturb is disabled. So here we go to modes. Here we have do not disturb. And now it's enabled, but now it's disabled, and we want to keep it that way for now. What are we going to do next is we're going to go over and clean the speaker grill or the USB-C port if you're using wired headphones. So here we have the speaker grill, and here we have the USB-C port at the bottom. So after cleaning it with a soft brush or an air compressor, what you guys can do is go over and, as a last resort, update your software to fix any audio glitches. So scroll down until you see system updates. Now click check for updates. And once you click it, it will check for updates. For me, everything looks good. But if it's not looking good for you, then I would recommend updating. It's very important. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.